Do you need to delete inactive listings on Amazon, and how do you do that? Now, yes, absolutely you need to. I remember a friend of mine, a fellow Amazon seller, Luke Carwell, he won't mind me saying this, but when I first started to get to know him, he had loads of listings that, you know, it's normal when you're starting out. You don't realise that you need to actually control the listings that you're no longer using. So absolutely, yes, 100%. You need to delete and close listings that you are not going to be selling on in the future, okay? So how do you do that? Go to your inventory, click on any of the items, and you can multi-click them. So just click the little box on the left of all the items you need. Go to the top and click delete and close the listings. Delete and close them. Don't just close them. Don't just delete them. Delete and close the listings. So why is this so important? This is important to prevent possible IP violations. Every listing that you have up on Amazon that you don't delete and close once you finish using it, it just enhances the risk of a brand possibly giving you a violation. Every listing that you have on Amazon, there's a potential that the brand will suddenly decide overnight that they don't want Amazon sellers, online arbitragers or wholesalers to possibly sell their items, depending on the agreement that you have with that brand. So it's really, really important to delete and close any that you're not using or any that you suspect to actually have IP infringement issues on. Obviously, things like BuyBot Pro and any tools that you've got will be able to help you there, help you with making sure that you're reducing your risk of getting IP violations. So you need to delete and close any that haven't that you are no longer stocking, otherwise it just increases your risk. And also you need to be looking through your stock regularly. I need to do this more on a regular basis, just checking any updates. Anything that you hear through the grapevine, through groups, through my Facebook group, Amazon FBA Journeys Live, other groups, anything that you hear that sounds dodgy about a particular brand, maybe they're about to start issuing IP violations. Sometimes you hear this stuff and then you need to delete and close your listing as soon as possible and pull out any items that you've got to prevent any risks there. So that's what I'd say about deleting and close the listings. It's very, very important. Don't overlook it because it could be the difference between you getting a violation and not. And believe me, it's not nice getting IP violations, so you should do everything you can to avoid possible suspected violations or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe, obviously,